RoadCommandPro instantly revolutionizes on-site deployment. The GPS coordinate anchoring solution accurately maps the locations of the markers. Real-time adjustment records are traceable, and the team's positions are dynamically updated. Voice instructions are delivered directly to the site, and compliant documents can be generated with a single click. The entire process is digitized, from planning to verification. Safe and efficient, it minimizes risks and ensures compliance. RoadCommandPro is the all-in-one traffic management platform for traffic management plans and field operations. Design a compliant traffic guidance scheme with an international sign library currently with Australia and the United States. Dispatch your crews, track deployments in real time, and generate compliance packages, all from desktops, laptops, and tablets with GPS pin placement, live maps, and more. Built for traffic management companies, highway maintenance contractors, roadway signage contractors, email us at contact@roadcommandpro.com or subscribe at roadcommandpro.com.